Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but the van had a lot of issues. Let's see, where do I even start? So, you can see the battery is up under the hood now. So I've got two batteries up under the hood. You notice it just looks a whole lot more clean. There's not just a bunch of random wires everywhere. That's all in, that's exciting. This is kind of in a jank spot, but whatever. You can see I have the wires routed up and zip tied in place, or cable tied. And it goes to the battery over here. I've even got a fuse right here for the glow plugs because I was running that unfused. Super safe. Let's see what else. Got this vacuum reservoir so I can have heat, because I didn't know this, but all the valves inside the van are vacuum operated to blow heat around. So the more you know. Okay, what else? Did a harmonic balancer. You can't see it, of course. Front main seal, and I just recently did a starter today. This one was shot. Okay, I'm hoping to start it. I don't have any coolant in right now, but it's cold right now, so that shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, I did have to pull the dash all apart. It just reminds me I got to plug in that the oil pressure gauge before I do attempt to start, so I don't put oil all over myself. But yeah, it's just looking a whole lot cleaner. Everything's in the right spot. I've closed up a bunch of holes in the firewall. And I gotta put this so it doesn't rattle around. It'll be fine for a second. Alright guys, so I've got the oil pressure gauge in, and we're going to give it a go. Letting the glow plugs warm up for a second. Alright, I'm going to add some antifreeze. So, that was a win. That was a big win. So yeah, I'm going to add some coolant and test out the heat. I don't know what that smell is though. It's really sweet. Whatever, it's not on fire. So that's good. Alright. Well, give me a little bit of time. I'm going to set her up. Well, yeah, I said I'd be right back with it all buttoned up, but that isn't the case. So I tried to align the belts, and as soon as I started, the belt went and done flopped off on me. Darn. Well, at least I don't have any antifreeze. I can just take the radiator right out of the way and mess with it. So, judging by the sun and how cold it's gotten, It's about to get dark. So I'm gonna attempt, I'll be back. Can't rush perfection, right? So I'm gonna pick up the tools and call it a day. And I still gotta put the dash together. Oh, I wanna show my new design for safety of my manual glow plugs. So I've got it coming in. First, it's fused on that side, and the switch has a fuse. And it goes to a switch to on-off power. Then I go to a push button to regulate how long I want to do them. Because typically I do them about 10 seconds. And as you tell, it's 30 degrees and it started right up. So that's awesome. And yeah, look at the dash. Beautiful. Alright guys, well, I will return.